In today's video, we're going to be talking about a phenomenon seen in every facet of healthcare, pain, in particular, pain neuroscience. Pain is something many patients experience, and it can be complex to understand and treat given the many different types of pain, each with their own unique causes and treatments. By the end of the video today, you'll be able to learn and talk about 3 common types of pain that can present in the patients that we treat: nociceptive, neuropathic, and nociplastic pain. We will learn what they are and break them down for what each one means and how they will affect the body. So whether someone is dealing with a sprain, traumatic injury, or chronic condition, keep watching to learn what might be behind each type of pain and how it can be managed. The first type of pain we're talking about today is nociceptive pain, which can be most easily understood as pain coming from damaged body tissue. A noxious stimulus activates peripheral nociceptors and travels up the peripheral nerve to the spine. Once it reaches the spinal cord, the pain signal crosses and travels up the contralateral cord to the brain, passing through the thalamus and arriving in the sensory cortex where processing begins. Pain is a divergent pathway, and signals may shoot in many directions from the thalamus, such as here illustrated by the amygdala. Pain travels through the spine and the spinal thalamic tract and is carried from the extremities onto 2 fibers, A delta and C fibers. Management of nociceptive pain can be approached from 2 directions in clinical practice: gait control and tissue healing. Unhealed tissue damage can cause increased sensitivity in the nerves, which can cause maladaptation that will be covered further in this video. The second type of pain being discussed is neuropathic pain. Above is a healthy sensory neuron picking up a sensory potential coming to the soma, propagated down the axon, and sped along by the myelin sheath to the axon terminals, where the neuron will synapse with another neuron or the brain. The orange line demonstrates this pathway of this action potential, communicating with the body, sensing to the brain where it will be interpreted. The nerve below has some damaged myelin sheaths, potentially from compression, ischemia, or trauma, which directly impacts the nerve and its action potential. They will not travel up to the brain in the same way. Prolonged or chronic ischemia from compression or atherosclerotic peripheral blood vessels will eventually cause the axon to break down as well. This is known as Wallerian degeneration, where the axon dies off in a retrograde pattern. Common symptoms to look out for are allodynia, hyperalgesia, or hypoalgesia. The last type of pain we're talking about today is nociplastic pain, which is characterized by augmented pain in the peripheral and central nervous system, leading to increased sensitivity seen in patients with fibromyalgia or chronic low back pain. Here you might see cortical reorganization, leading to changes in the brain's pain processing areas, making pain harder to inhibit and less responsive to opioids or pharmacological interventions. Peripheral sensitization occurs when the body's pain receptors become hypersensitive compared to the amount of observable tissue damage present. According to Fitzgerald et al., the application of pain is most likely due to an increase in temporal summation, enhanced spinal neuron response after C fiber or A delta fiber stimulation, and decreased descending inhibition, leading to allodynia or hypoalgesia. And then you have central sensitization, which also occurs and increases the responsiveness of the spinal cord and brain, leading to heightened pain perception as well. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this presentation, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.